In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your video and website using filezila. To do that, first make sure you go to this site called SourceForge. As you see up here, it says https://sourceforge.net. Next, we type in filezila. So it will auto-complete, so we can come down from the drop-down menu and click filezila. Next, we will scroll down and we will select this one here. It says release filezila client setup. And from here, we want to select client. Now, here you can choose any of the ones that is any one of the operating systems that you have. I have Windows. So I'm going to select the setup executable. As it says here, recommended, so that's what I'm going to select. Now, the file has finished downloaded for me. I'm going to open the file. Here you can read the license agreement. I'm going to just click agree. Next, it says only for me. So I'm administrator, so I'm going to click next. I'm going to click a desktop icon. I'm going to select a desktop icon. Next. Then next. Then I'm going to install. Now it says start filezila. I'm going to click finish. So we go to filezila. Now we want to connect it. For this to work, you have to make sure that you have your web hosting details. So you got to make sure you have your host, username, password, etc. Port is always 21. So I have mine, and I'm just going to fill it out, and I'll be back with you in a second. I have entered my information. I've blurred it out, but yes, you enter your host, which will be given to you via your web host, either in email or would be on your dashboard with your web host. So now I'm just going to connect by clicking Quick Connect. Now, as you can see here, I'm already connected to my web host here on the right. It has all the information and my public HTML. On the left here, this is my desktop. So let's go to my website. As you can see, my website is already populated. So if I go back to filezila and I go to the public HTML, as you can see, it's already populated. But I want to upload my file, my index HTML file. So let's go back. I'm going to show you. So we go to /index.html and it's a blank screen. So I'm going to go back to filezila. Up here is the directory. I'm going to select desktop and I'm going to scroll down here on the left and go to index.html. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click, hold, drag and move it over to the right and paste and release to paste in the index.html. Let's go back to my web browser. If I refresh, the file has now been uploaded. So also we can remove this, and we simply go back to FileZilla, and we can do that by right clicking, scrolling down to delete. We click delete, it says delete one file, we're going to say yes from the server. Let's go back to our browser website, let's refresh, and the page is now gone.